All right, so I've got my Prime 4 turned on, and I was trying out these brand new connectors for my 90-degree connectors for my microphone. I've got one of them hooked up, and I also got two for the XLRs, which are these. They do come in handy and stuff like this, so you're not able to mess up your cables like I was doing, because these are actually rather long, and these were actually bent, and that's what causes a bunch of feedback, a bunch of noise, sound crackling, popping, all that good stuff. And I've got my little two bitty rockets, connected, and I'll be doing updates on new lights that I got, plugging in all the rest of the lights and these stands the way that I am, running it through SoundSwitch and my standalone and everything else. So with that being said, yeah, everything works good. I'm happy. So I'm going to do a follow-up later, and we'll try everything, especially the Voco Pros, which I actually got back here. Voco Pro. I actually got these from Zounds, and believe it or not, if y'all have not checked them out, Zounds, ZOUNDS.com. If you're a DJ and whether you can pay for everything up front, whatever, I mean, it's all good, it's up to you. But if they give you an opportunity, then I believe you should take it. I ordered these, and I think they're under $400, brand new. You can get them a little cheaper for something that's used or open box, whatever. So this is the first time I'm going to try anything out like this, but I just want to unbox this and let you know exactly what all came with it and how and stuff like that. So it came with its own carrying case, right? This is the whole system itself, and this is the little carrying case for the mics, which on the website, I mean, this is what it looks like compared to my hand. I mean, it's not that big of a case, but it's cool. Oh, excuse me. These did ship out from California. Much love to my people from Cali. And let me go ahead and remove this box. Just go ahead and get this puppy out the way. It comes shipped the way that it normally comes shipped. I was on the tripod for my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay, so this is what you get here. It's Voco Pro. You see the description and all that on the side. It's letting you know everything that's in here. If you're not familiar with this, I suggest that y'all go online and you try this out. It looks good. They say it's comparable to one of these, the 58s, which is what this is. Oh no, this is a 48. I had a 58 somewhere. I think I gave it to my dad. And this is everything that comes in this whole package. Let's see, we'll open it up this way. How the hell do you open this damn thing up? Okay, there it is. Alright. So the package is not too bad. And this is the receiver. This is the baby that runs everything. assuming underneath we're gonna find all the 4 mics. And this is the receiver. A tripod. Well, yeah, I'm assuming this is a receiver. This is what connects everything. Video inputs. Okay, we'll figure this out. Let's see what this is. We'll take this out. And let's see what's underneath here. Okay. Microphone. What the hell? There's only 2. This is not cool at all. It's supposed to be 4. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to contact Zounds and see what happened. Because this obviously does not look like something that I ordered.